Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show quick review of Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, also known as MSRT tool. This is a special tool you can use after your computer gets malware and kick out the bad stuff that's hiding inside. To use this tool, just press the Windows key and the R at the same time. The run box will pop up, type MRT and hit the enter key. If your computer gives you an error when trying to open this app, it means the MSRT tool is not on your computer. To download the tool manually, search for Malicious Software Removal Tool and visit the Microsoft Download Center. Here simply download the setup file and install it into your computer. Once you start the software, a pop-up dialog box will appear on your screen. Just click on Next in that box. Next, you must choose the type of scan you want. You can choose Quick Scan for a fast check of common hiding malware, Full Scan for a thorough check of everything, or Customized Scan if you want to select a specific drive or folder to search. Once you've picked what you want, the tool will begin searching for malware on your computer. This tool gets rid of bad software from a computer that's already been attacked. It's much better to stop bad software from getting into your computer in the first place than to get rid of it after it's already in. If the bad software isn't active or running, the tool cannot remove it. When it's done, it will show you another dialog box with the results. If you want to see more details about what it found, just click on the link. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.